So I don't know why things are this way in the crypto market, why there's this huge disconnect when it comes to ADA and price and where things are headed. Because I would say that right now, I'm gonna jump right into the charts. Right now, I see more bearish posts and more bearish sentiment surrounding ADA than even back here before we took off in November. More bearishness than when we were in the depths of the bear market cycle, which is an absolutely wild thing to me because we just came off of hundreds of percents in move, right? Even right now, ADA's down, 16% over the course of December, and people are think the world is crumbling around us because ADA price is down 16%. We're still up almost 200% since pre-November prices. Really think about that, right? Almost 100% a month, and people are bearish. We have more whale support in these ranges. We have more partnerships in line. We have more potential within incoming crypto administration, more potential in terms of actual utilization of Cardano blockchain tech, right? Everything right now, when it comes to Cardano, is in fact positive. I want people to really think about that. Point to a bearish thing. People might say on-chain users. Yeah, we're not in big DeFi usage times anyway, so that really doesn't bother me. I've talked about that since all the way back in 2022. Apart from that, everything is looking good. Some people will talk about the Cardano Foundation and Charles Hoskinson squabbling back and forth. And frankly, guys, I want you to really understand this. Nobody cares. Okay. Why I'm saying that and why I'm attacking this so bluntly is 95% of the people that are about to come into the crypto market, they don't care. They look at an asset, they look at its price. Do I buy or do I not? They don't tend to do their research. They don't pay attention to what's going on. But what they do is they pay attention to some of the largest assets in the space. And ADA is one of those. Remember, we've looked at the metrics before. Cardano search metrics, incredibly high. Retail coming into the market loves Cardano. When we experienced that surge all the way back in March, back here, guys, this was ADA received some of the highest on-chain flows, some of the largest retail flows of new capital in the crypto market. All right. After we know that people in crypto at the time weren't huge fans of ADA, it wasn't getting huge surges from the capital that was parked within the space, but the new capital flowing in loved ADA and moved a lot of capital into ADA. All right. And the metrics are showing that we're about to see the same thing once again. Now, obviously, there's no guarantees in the crypto market or anything like that. And unfortunately, people look at things through this very narrow scope, right? They'll look at this and say, oh my gosh, it's terrible. We're just dropping and dropping and dropping. And they ignore what has happened over the last basically, year and a half or so. And that is that ADA is slowly but surely moving up and to the right. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, more holders, more whale support. I mean, all these things are actually very positive signs for ADA. And some people think I'm just, putting a positive spin on it. And no, it's because I've stepped back. I've looked at the data. I look at fundamentals all the time, as you guys know. And basically, there's no place for bearishness right now. Right now, for what Cardano is doing from a technical standpoint, not really much in terms of competition out there. Nobody's approaching things in such a broad scale. Nobody has had the foresight to prepare their blockchain the way that Cardano has. And what's crazy about this is, even though up here some people are saying, "Oh yeah, we're expecting more drops," we've hit this area of being undervalued. Okay, so for example, the MVRV zone actually suggests that ADA, even at these current prices, is undervalued. So the point I want to make is stop being emotional. There's no place for feelings in finance. I know I've said this before, but get it out of your mind. Okay. Look at the structure. Look at what's playing out in this market cycle so far. It's perfect. Okay. Understand that there are most of the crypto market cycles in general, they're boring. They suck. There's not a whole lot going on, right? There's almost more time of like sideways trading and not much going on than there is a pump. And then you take these moments where you surge hundreds of percent over the course of a couple months, and then you deal with a drawn out correction, right? We've been dropping now for about a month, and now we're kind of gearing up for again this next like surge in the crypto market, right? This happens cycle after cycle. It's when big adoption happens. And I want you to look at the overall structure for ADA. Guys, it looks good. I think people need to get a little bit of a reality check when it comes to this. Leave your bearishness at the door. Approach things with an open mind. Any preconceived notions that you have, forget them. Look at the data, look at the charts, look at the structure, and really think about what's coming in the crypto market. It's bigger than people can fathom. And frankly, I don't know if that confuses people or scares people or what. We're about to see a surge from, a 3.4 trillion dollar global market cap right now to over 10 trillion in this market cycle by the end of next year. We're about to see altcoins surge from a $1.4 trillion market cap currently to over 7 trillion. All right. We're supposed to see, and someone tried to call me out on this yesterday, the expectations amongst the industry are the crypto market is going to approach a $100 trillion market cap by 2030. Okay. We're about to get into mass adoption. And for those that haven't seen a mass adoption curve before, we're about to go basically full vertical, full parabolic, right? This is, maybe I shouldn't have clicked on that. Here we go. This is, guys, is where we're at right now. We're right here. All right. And the thing is about this, it starts to speed up and it moves faster and faster and faster. The capital flows are quicker. The adoption takes place at a faster rate, right? That's why we talk about the potential of super cycles and blow off tops and things like that. And unfortunately, people can't get out of the 1 second window in terms of price. People commenting, oh, we just dropped 2%. Who cares, right? Look at price 3 months down the road. Look at price a year down the road. We're going to be looking at things in a very different way in just a year's time and several years' time than we are now. The crypto industry is evolving. Adoption is evolving. You have enterprises, you have institutional money, you have governments starting to dive into the crypto market. And the funny thing about this is, we're the early adopters. We're here before the masses. And then the other things tend to come before the masses. All right. So it's all happening perfectly. The adoption is taking place exactly in the way that we need to see it take place. And what that means is that the fact that you're here right now is a huge, huge benefit to you in the long term. So I just wanted to share that with everybody. I don't get bothered by comments, but I see a lot of the negativity that frankly it shouldn't be valid at all. We're right where we need to be. Just be patient. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you prepared for the future? Are you excited? Have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.